Hello everyone, I'm Jamie McQuaid with Triangle Weapon Retention System, the hands-free option whenever you're carrying a long gun or a submachine gun. And today we are going to show you how to don the Triangle Weapon Retention System with the Eddy Configuration. First of all, we're going to start, and you'll want to get your triangle out and lay it out so. This is pretty much the way it's going to be on the body. Underarm strap, opposite underarm strap. Of course, this is the 1 inch is always the strong arm side. And always make sure that the lanyard to the weapon, and this it's closest to the D-ring. This is always the front. There's a D-ring on the back. Of course, it's the farthest away from this lanyard, so you can always see which end is the front and which end is the back. Now, swapping out the Eddy, it is very simple. We're only going to be concerned with this strap over here, the weak arm side strap that goes under the arm. And once it's laid out like this, it's as simple as changing it. Now, of course, once you get to this configuration, you're ready to don it. Now, normally you're going to unbuckle here and then don the system and put it on. Well, whenever you're going to be running the Eddy, you'll want to disconnect the J clip from the D-ring here, and that will then in turn be moved to the rear, like so, on this D-ring. So what that gives you is this is an overarm strap, and then this turns into an overarm strap. So everything, all the connections are made behind you. Now, of course, we found in recent testing that using a heavy strap whenever you're running the Eddy configuration is extremely, it makes it really, really nice. And this is the time to go ahead and put that guy on if you want to. Always underhook, so that the underhook here is always against the body. And then the J is actually on top, so it doesn't dig into your back or anything. So once you have those two items on the actual triangle, then we are ready to don it. Okay, this is what we have. And this, of course, is the strong arm side, which will be the right side for me. This is the weak side, the left side. And of course, the strap that's hanging down, that is for the heavy configuration. Now, you kind of ignore the back strap while you're donning this thing, but the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the weak side strap that's normally hooked up front, and we're going to disconnect the J hook. So then you're going to have something that looks like this. Okay? All right, now simply going to put that around your strong side arm. Go ahead and reach back. You can feel the rough side of the buckle. Make sure that it's down. Pull it around and have your J hook. Now, the easiest way we found to do this is rotate forward, find your D-ring, reach behind your head, and underhook the J clip. Let's see. It's like that. Okay. Now that you have the triangle on at this point, but you still have your heavy strap here that's hanging down that needs to go to your belt. And what that does is if you're carrying an MP5, a TP9, an ARP of some sort, just any submachine gun, a Chris, it stops any rotation of the weapon when you add the heavy configuration. It's almost got to the point that I wear it all the time now because it's part of my sling, and it just makes things easier. Okay, now to do this, I have on my Velcro belt, and this is typically the belt I wear when I'm training. So just undo your belt and turn that heavy strap into a belt loop. Now you have it, you're ready for donning your coat, putting your weapon on. Everything in the back is hooked up, straight. Now we're ready to go. Normally we would run a quick disconnect in here, and then of course the quick disconnect down here. Of course you're not going to be wearing a suppressor on it. Then it keeps the weapon literally right there, right where you need it when your coat's on. It's under your arm. Everything looks great. Up. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to run the Eddy.